And we're seeing ya. Tary back at you with another video. For this one, I am going to be recreating all the hairstyles that I've previously done as a TikTok. If you do not follow us on TikTok, it'll be linked in the description along with all of our other social medias. I'm starting at the bottom of the account and working my way to the newest video. The first hairstyle we have is called the braided pig pony. So first start by dividing your doll's hair into two pieces and make sure each piece has been brushed out. I've already done so. We're now going to turn each of the two chunks into just a normal braid. Remember to put an elastic on the bottom of the first one, but not the second one. I'll explain why in a minute. So now that we have both of our braids done, what you want to do is take the elastic out of the first braid and use it to put both braids together at the bottom. And there we have it. Your braided pig pony is complete. This next style you should recognize if you watched our pigtails video, but anyway, it is the twisted pigtails. The first thing you want to do is take out the elastic and the braids, but leave your hair in two chunks. Now you want to divide each chunk in two pieces and twist them together, essentially braiding, but two pieces, not three. With both of the twists done, your hairstyle should look like this. You guys should recognize this one if you've seen any of our ponytail videos, but anyways, we're going to be making a chunky ponytail. So first start by pulling out both elastics, take out the twist, and then put the hair back into one piece. If you'd like to give it a quick brush, you can do so. Now what you're going to do is you're going to place varying elastics at different intervals down the head. Once you have your elastics in, I'm able to nicely fit four. Your finished chunky ponytail will look like this. This next hairstyle wasn't specifically for a TikTok because what I did was share a part of a YouTube video, but anyway, I'm going to teach you this style regardless. And this style is the top or high bun. So step number one, you want to take out all the elastics in the ponytail that you currently see on screen. And then you want to make a high ponytail, so essentially a tree growing out of the doll's scalp. Once you've made the high ponytail, it should look like this. Now what you want to do is wrap the hair around the elastic and then add a second one to keep it in place. You'll get a better view of this style from the front, so that's why Tary's been flipped around, but this is what your high or top bun should look like. If it's a little messy, that's okay, because with buns, it's a cute vibe. The next TikTok hairstyle is also a YouTube video share. You'll recognize it if you watch our half up, half down video. But anyway, you're doing the half up, half down with bottom braided. So first start by pulling out both elastics, the bun and the ponytail. Then you want to give the hair a brush because right now it's really crazy looking. Once your doll's hair is all nice and brushed like so, you want to divide the hair in half. But instead of doing it in half like we did for the pigtails, you want to do it in half up and down. So get a chunk from the middle and then make a ponytail out of that chunk. If you've made your upper ponytail, it should look like this. And now what we want to do is just move that upper ponytail out of the way and braid the bottom. Once you've finished your bottom braid, the completed half up, half down with bottom braid will look like this. Our next style is a simple twisted crown. So we're going to start by removing both elastics as well as the braid, then brush out your doll's hair if you find it a little naughty or crazy. So now what you want to do is you want to separate two thin-ish pieces of hair from both sides of the head. Roughly this size is good. And then you want to twist each piece, so dividing into two and that. Let each twist fall to the middle, but don't add any elastics. Once you have both your twists twisted like so, you're going to take a barrette and clip the twist in the middle of the head. The left gets draped across to the right, and the right gets draped across to the left. If you have to retwist because things fell apart, then go ahead and retwist. Now that you have your twists clipped, I'm just going to take the bottom of them and bring it into the hair so it's not sticking out quite as much. If you need to get it brushed to do so, then brush to do so. And there we have it. Your simple twisted crown is complete. Our next Tik Tok hairstyle is the middle braid. So first we're going to start by undoing our braided crown. Remove the clips, remove the twists, and bring it all back into the main hair. Now what we're going to do is divide the main hair into 3 pieces. Now that we've divided our hair into 3 pieces, we are going to ignore the outer 2 and braid the middle piece. So divide into 3 again and go normally. With your braid finished, it should look like this. Now you just want to bring all the hair together, and when you've smoothed it all out, you'll have a braid just hiding there, cute in the middle. The next hairstyle is the high ponytail, but I'm going to skip over that one. You got the gist when you made the high bun. You can back up the video if you want to see it again. The next style that we're going to do is the middle pigtails, which is very easy to make from our current standpoint. The first thing you want to do is to separate the hair back into your 3 pieces you had before. And then you want to make pigtails out of the outer pieces. Once you've made pigtails out of the outer 2 pieces, your hair should look like this. Now what we're going to do is remove the elastic and braid from the middle piece, and then give the hair a brush to look all flat together. And boom, there we have a completed middle pigtail, which you should recognize from our pigtails video. Our final hairstyle is the braided middle pigtails. I didn't think of this soon enough, or it would have been in our pigtails video. But anyway, what you want to do is you want to leave the hair the way it is, because we've already made a middle pigtail, and then you want to take all 3 pieces and braid. So 1 pigtail, the middle, and the second pigtail are your 3 pieces of braid. This is what it should look like when your middle pigtail braid is complete. That concludes our video on recreating hairstyles we previously posted as a TikTok. If you liked it, please drop one down below. Subscribe if you're new so you don't miss any of our future content. Check us out on TikTok and other social medias, links in the description. And lastly, please head to our website. There are fun stories to read and cute outfits to purchase. We'll see you on the next one.